Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 Sets of Twins. I just want to thank you for coming to my channel and watching me make some crafts. I hope you're having a great day. Just grab a cup of coffee, maybe some hot tea or iced tea, and just sit back and enjoy. If you would like to subscribe, like, or even make a comment, I would be welcoming to that. So you share with your family and friends. I'd love that too. And let's get started. I'm going to do this 8 bags, flap up, do little T's with your glue gun. I got these at Walmart's. My Dollar Tree didn't have any, so you just put the bag down, flap up, put glue on it. I have seen Olivia's Romantic Home do these a couple times. I've seen them on Pinterest. So I was like, I'm going to do one of these. It was very exciting considering I'd never done it before. And since I have lots of kids, I think now I know how to make their parties much more colorful and festive. So cool. Okay, then you fan them out. And you're going to put glue on the ends. You can put it just on one end. I probably made this more difficult than it was. And there it is. Big, beautiful, looks like a big fan or an umbrella, I guess. Some of my glue wasn't sticking very well, so I had to go back and just add a little more glue. I didn't put an awful lot of glue on there because I wasn't sure if it was gonna like seep through the paper. So some of them didn't stick as well as I would have liked them to, so I was just adding some more glue. Now I'm taking my Dollar Tree Valentine hearts that everybody has seen, and I'm just pulling one off, and I'm going to put it right in the middle. You can do a bow in the middle. You can put whatever you want in the middle. There it is. Isn't it beautiful? It really is. I love it. Absolutely love it. I'm going to put a little hook on it so I can hang it. And you can hang them from the ceiling too if you want to put long hooks. My next one is I'm using scrapbook paper that I had. I made this little red heart and I put some glitter on it. I have my Dollar Tree unfinished wood heart. I just took the little tag off at the back. I'm taking a pencil. I'm just going to draw around the scrapbook paper, which is 12 inches by 12 inches, and it fit perfectly. I got this scrapbook paper out of a big book of mine that I had, where you buy the bulk of it. I'm using just the regular stick glue. I really love stick glue. It's easy, it's quick, doesn't burn your fingers, it works great, there's no bubbles. And now I'm just going around the edge with my glue gun, and I have some jute cord. I'm going to make it all the way around the edge of the heart. I had this extra piece. I think it came from the Dollar Tree. And there's my little glitter heart I made. I just used a piece of cardboard. It was like cardstock. And cut out a little heart. I put glitter on it. I actually used like that school glue, and then I just sprinkled the glitter on it. Now I'm going to make a little bow out of the jute cord. I think I got this at Hobby Lobby at Christmas time. I think it was 50% off. It's got the wire in it, which really works better than the flat ones. Taking the little cord that I took out of the heart, I'm going to tie it real tight, and then I'm going to fluff it. And then I'm just pulling it apart, twisting it a little bit to get a really nice bow. Now make a little tail to the bow. And just cutting the ribbon at an angle. I'm going to glue it down and then glue the bow on top of the little tail. And there it is. It's so pretty. I'm going to add a little flower, or a couple. Got some greenery and then the flowers going on top. It's getting prettier. And now I'm just going to put a little holder on the back of it out of the same jute cord so it all matches. There it is. Look how pretty that is. I love it. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, my next one is a home sign that I got from Dollar Tree. And I got this scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. We can buy them for $1. And I'm just drawing with my pencil the outline. And then I'm going to cut it. You might have to use like little scissors to get in the smaller parts. Penelope, be quiet. Sorry about the dog. It's my daughter's dog and she went upstairs, so the dog's whining in for my daughter. Okay, now I'm going to paint the heart and the edges of the home sign. So the paper is going to be going on top of the home. And you can still see there's some pencil marks, so I'm going to take and erase the pencil marks, and then I'm going to use the wood glue to put the sign on. And I'm just going to rub it with my finger to get it all over. I'm just pressing down to get all the edges so they don't come up. I absolutely adore this sign. It is so cool looking, and it's a map that was the scrapbook page. So it like sort of tells us we went somewhere at one point. Isn't that pretty? Make sure you do the edges. Here's my heart. So please subscribe and like and share with your family and friends, and hit the notification bell, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.